Hello everyone and welcome to our Thermador kitchen. My name is Chef John Cardona. And today, let's talk about our ranges and Rangetops. They're fully equipped with our ExtraLow feature. The ExtraLow feature gives you two simmer settings that cycle on and off. What you're gonna hear is you're gonna hear clicks and you're gonna notice a flame turning on and off. At first you might think this is a defect, but it's not a defect. Rather, it's an actual safety feature. The burners are so quiet that the cycling is there to maintain temperature, and so you can actually hear that your ranges are still on. Let's talk about the ExtraLow lowest setting. I would probably more than likely use delicate sauces like bechamel, marinara, cream-based sauces, even clarified butter, melted chocolate, or even polenta. Now on its highest setting, I would use that to keep hot foods hot, like stir fries, or if you're poaching eggs, or even if you're holding scrambled eggs for your family. These techniques are perfect to hold your food hot without overcooking your food or scorching or burning the bottom of your pans or the actual ingredient that's in your pan.